or maybe you show an entry or you show the chart something a trade you took, and they start telling, oh, you should not have bought there is an inducement plus FVG plus turtle soup there. It's always easier to see in hindsight. If you always saw everything, you won't take losses. Hi guys, how y'all doing? Long time. So, quick program update. You guys, the idea that I had of Profim, I don't even know where do I start from. What I thought is not what I'm saying. No, you guys, if people will buy Profim account and they tell you under one trade they've passed it, under 24 hours they passed it. Or might not be with Maven, no, not be with all this new Profim rules that there's no news trading, no this, no that. Like, I've literally been going up, going down, going up, going down. Like, I'm like, I suppose don't pass this thing by now. It's already going to a month. What's going on? Then I just decided to go and start watching some of my colleagues' video online. I just heard when one guy said he used 1 year to pass a Profim. I said, no wonder where I shouldn't hear meaning. I just didn't understand. Because, like, did he lie though? Trying to follow those rules, you'll go into profit, you'll be so close, then you go back, you start losing, you get back to break even, start going up and down. It's not easy. Maybe all those top programs that allow news, they don't have all this, funny rules. Maybe it's possible to just go and pass it on trade and all. But yeah, another thing that would prevent you from passing another thing that prevents you from passing this Profim to one trade is that how would I explain this thing? Okay, there's daily drawdown of $80, which is half of the overall drawdown. Overall drawdown is $160. That $80 is both in loss. If 1 year drawdown, you'll be like, okay, once I lose $18 that day, they will collect my account in it. It's both in loss and in profit. So if I have a running trade of $80 profit, if price start retracing and I'm in drawdown, and then my $80 now enters zero or minus something, I've lost the account too. Or I'm in a trade of $100 profit, then it retraces, goes down, minus 80. Maybe my profit now went from $100 to $20. I've lost the account. Can you guys imagine? So how would I now hold a trade from beginning to end with $160 profit that it will not retrace? It's scarce. Because that means you want to sit down on the system from morning to night. That market will not retrace, which is not possible. You'll be on the system for 24 hours. Or how many days it might take to play out to see, let's say you're using 0.1 to see 160 pips catch these days. It's by the grace of God. So, like, it's literally not possible to pass in one trade. So please don't be fooled by what you see online. No, that's why you have me here. I'm documenting my process so you guys can see. You people should encourage me so I'll not give up, because me, I'm already getting tired. Now, small thing they tire me. I don't have strength, honestly. Especially like when something is not even bringing you money, it's taking you all your time, mental stress, all of that. You just want to leave it. So these people that say they pass accounts in 1 minute, 2 seconds, beware. So the way things are going now, this is about to become a series, because I don't know whether now 6 months or 1 year, myself I go use pass this thing like this. And it's not even only that person. A lot of people, I'm seeing like so many people, someone is still stuck in like phase 1 for months. Like, this is like realistic shit, something that most of your mentors can't do. That was all like many upcoming traders are doing. I put respect on their name. Problem is that when you now become vulnerable like that and show people what you're actually going through, what's actually going on with your account, they start thinking that you can't trade, or that they are better than you. Or maybe you show an entry or you show the chart something, a trade you took, and they start telling, oh, you should not have bought there is an inducement plus FVG plus turtle soup there. It's always easier to see in hindsight. If you always saw everything, you won't take losses. That's why I'm skeptical about coming to come and show my entries or show my trades, because I'm not okay like that too. It's okay to like correct with love, but you cannot just from one time frame, from one entry, be telling me I should have done this or done that when you did not do top-down analysis with me. Once person don't lose like this and I don't turn pro. So that's just the issue with coming out to document stuff, to show people what's really happening. That's why we Nigerians deserve scammers. That's why most people get scammed by fake mentors, because most of those mentors, they don't like prop firm. Why? Because it's very difficult to pass. Most of them don't find it easy to pass. They can't pass it, so they just get money. They get money from other sources, or people fund them and they just treat their account and flex on you. So anybody, if you know that you're fond of going on that, YouTubers comments, people documenting their Forex process, being as real as as possible with you guys, and you are just going there leaving funny comments. I see some comments on some people's page, you'll be telling them that, bro, if you continue like this, you can never make it. Can you imagine? If nobody leave that kind of comments for my page, me, I'm not okay. I'm not that okay. They just be saying, oh, you should not have taken this skinny coin here, you should not have done this, you should not have done that. Though there are some errors may I see, maybe like SL being tight or something like that, but I don't comment. I know somebody else will go and see it, but I don't comment. I'm sure person will have read comments multiple times from different people, so they have obviously maybe taken note of that mistake and decide to still make their SL tight. But that's on them. If it was that easy, you to carry phone, do video and show us your own, and just look how foolish you would look too. You see how foolish you could look. You won't even be bold enough to post it. Do you know what this means? Literally setting myself up for failure, because if anything goes wrong, if I don't pass the account, I've failed in front of you people. And to people now, so some people, that means I'm not a good trader, I don't know how to trade, they don't rate me or anything like that. Meanwhile, the people you rate are failed in private, but they didn't come and post it for you to see. So you guys should just take it easy on these growing YouTubers. The comments I see on their pages sometimes, I'm just like, wow. If it was easy like that, you two, you'd have been funded. You two, you buy Maven. Go and buy Maven prop firm and pass. Anybody that's bought Maven prop firm, pass phase 1, pass phase 2, you're funded, you're withdrawing, you're a G. It's not until you buy GLU. We say if you know small. And by God's grace, if you continue like that, you get better. You say if you get your own GLE. So I feel it's people that have actually gone through this, that can relate, and that will not leave insensitive comments on people's posts. So if you've been leaving comments like that on people's posts, not comments like that on my post here, if you've been comments like that on people's posts, please stop it. This is documenting their process, from the beginning. Now I'm not going to say this is my beginning, because I started 3 years ago, 1 year or 2 years of war. Okay, this is my beginning outside. This is my beginning to you guys. This is my own beginning of documenting my process. So it is weird, no? You guys, what we are doing, a lot of people cannot do it. Just cut them some slack. Even they used 2 years to pass phase 1. So why they did not lose that account, it's a big deal. At some point, I was really getting frustrated. I said, I should just do this. I can just start taking on random trade, because I was annoyed. What's happening now? I should have passed this thing. I've gotten so close like this. And someone will just take me back again. It's not easy. And imagine all this effort for an account that you might not still pass. Account that I might not still pass. So let's spread love, so that we can curb fake in this country, in this world, in this continent. When you see real people, appreciate real recognize real. Okay? So still here waiting for my setup to play out. The reason why I've not really been posting setup is this waiting. Will I just come and sit down on my system here for morning to night for setup? I might not even play out today. So most times I just take my trade on my phone. Before I record it, trade's already moving, so there is no time. Today I just said let me come to my system. Since it's good, I'm looking at hopefully to move. If it doesn't move again, I'll just close it. And if I enter and I see that maybe it didn't play out, I'll just leave a screenshot or something. It's not easy even coming to sit down on system Monday night. I even have migraine, and one of the things that trigger migraine is sensitivity to light. So I can't be on my system all day. If I've already checked my phone, if I've checked trading view on my phone, okay, price and my PR. I also have Maven app on my phone. So it's quite difficult recording on phone system, there's wider screen, you can see what's going on and all of that. So that's why I'm not been showing trades. This is not a full-time job for me yet. Time is just flying. Before I need to enter new year. I still never pass prop firm. Well, see, guys, you guys shall take it easy on these people, because if it's easy, you say run them. Go and buy Maven account. Link in my description box. Buy it and pass it one day. Phase 1, phase 2. Let us heal we pay. You save no small. It's not easy out here, fam. So that's it for now.